back with another video. We're just making a quick video of our new fidgets we got.
We got some new stuff. What do you? Now we might be trading the little rings. We're not trading our poppets, but like the colored rings.
I
You
love
might trade
mine.
with the sip on because of their color. Now, what do you have to offer for the green one?
I'll give you the yellow one.
Maybe a different color.
This color.
Okay.
It's green.
Yay. Actually, I kind of want it back.
Why? Why do you like green so much?
Because I want it.
Come on. Okay, guys. We were just showing our fidgets.
I got this one. Boy, boy, boy.
We were just showing our fidgets. And we were just going to make a little quick video. And I'm just going to show my loud side. And my quiet side now.
Now I'm going to show my quiet side. Okay, quiet side. Loud side. I really like the loud side, and I traded mine like this, but I don't want it, so I'm taking my green back. Yeah, but look what happened. What you can do, you can connect them all.
Yeah, guys, we're going to have to go now. See you guys in the next video.
But boy.